Coronavirus has taken the world by storm, and everybody is talking about coronavirus. In the world of the internet, where everyone has a voice, fake news travel faster than actual news. That is why, even after so much is written and covered about coronavirus, people aren't aware of how to protect yourself. So, here are 6 key points to in your mind to protect yourself. Many conspiracy theories are floating on the internet that virus is a bioweapon created by China to control its population, or it is experiment gone wrong. This is also a video of people eating bats, and it is inferred that people are giving the virus to the human. An earlier version of coronavirus was originated from the bats, but this is a new virus, and there is no concrete evidence of this virus transmitted from the bats. However, there isn't enough evidence to point to somewhere else. Hence, the virus can come from anywhere. So don't eat anything which isn't clean. The virus is considered deadly if it is transmitted itself to other hosts very quickly. As we can see, although coronavirus doesn't have a high fatality rate, but it is spreading at a really fast pace. Hence, a large number of people are at risk due to coronavirus. The virus is currently transmitting from person to person. This is why people are avoiding handshakes or social gathering, because even a single infected person can transmit the virus to everyone else. This is a reason why people coming from infected place are checked for the virus and infected host place in quarantine to avoid the transmission of coronavirus. As stated above, the virus is spreading from person to person. One of the way is through coughing. When a person coughs, he breathes out things from his body, including the virus. And if someone else breathes the virus air, and he also inhales the virus. Hence, it is wise to not visit place with a chance of getting infected, and secondly, wear a mask everywhere you go. This will significantly reduce the chance of the virus inhaled by you. When we are young, we are told to wash everything in your hand each time we eat. Most of us follow this rule in our childhood. But as we grow, these habits get lost somewhere. We don't always wash your hands before eating. The reason behind washing your hand are to kill any germs or virus which might be in your hands, and to stop it from entering your bodies. This is a similar reason for washing your hand and refusing handshakes. You can greet people from a distance and always keep a hand sanitizer with you to regularly wash your hand. Imagine you had a long and tough day at work. You are standing in the subway tired. It is very easy to wrap yourself around a pole to provide yourself with support. Normally, there wouldn't be any problem in doing so. But when there is a pandemic outbreak, you can't trust anything. Maybe some people would be touched by a person suffering from the coronavirus. If you wrap yourself around it, you can also get infected. For this reason, it is advised to not do anything stupid which can infect you. This may be include eating at a restaurant, not washing eatables, keeping your house dirty, etc. Lots of fake news is doing the rounds at the moment. That is why lots of rumors are fed as fact, such as coronavirus is a virus spread to reduce the human population, or the fact that drinking bleach or silver can keep you safe from the virus. But in reality, there is no vaccines available for the virus, and the only way to stay safe is to follow the above precaution and follow official protocols. So if you have a fever or difficulty breathing, go to your nearest hospital and tell them everything you know and follow the instruction religiously, as it is not only your life but the life of everyone around you that is at risk. So these are the key things you need to keep in your mind while a world figure are away to fight the coronavirus. Although the fatality of the virus is low, but as we seen in the past, it can be skyrocket within a month. So precaution is definitely better than cure.